Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well at home. Students, as you know, we are doing chapter adjectives and their types. And two types we have already done, that is adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. Today we are going to do rest of the types which are left. So first we are going to continue with demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? Demonstrate means to show. When we want to show something, that is called demonstrate. जब हम किसी को कुछ दिखाना चाहते हैं, शो करते हैं, तो हम उसे बोलते हैं डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना. ठीक है, तो इसी से नाम बनता है डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. एंड फॉर डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव वी हैव ओनली 4 words, that is this, these, that and those. See, what are the difference of these words and where we have to use these words? Just see it carefully. I am going to make one table for this. It will make you understand easily. First of all, remember, this and that is used for singular noun. It is used for singular noun. These and those are used for plural noun. Fine. And now we have to see what is the difference between this and that. First of all, we know that this and that is used for singular noun. These and those are used for plural noun. Now the difference is, if the noun is near to us, then we will say this or these. But if the noun is far from us, then we will use that and those. I'll write some examples that will be much clear to you. For example, this book is good. This book is good. Which book is good? This book. This मतलब जो मेरे पास पड़ी है book, वह book अच्छी है. Right? Those pens are न्यू. कौन से पेन न्यू है? जो पेन वहां है वह पेन, यानी कि जो मेरे पास नहीं पड़े हैं, वो मुझसे दूर हैं. तो दिस वे वी यूज दिस, दोज, दीज एंड दैट. मीन्स इफ द थिंग इज नियर टू यू, सपोज दिस बुक इज वेरी मच नियर टू मी, सो आई विल से दिस बुक इज गुड, बिकॉज ये मेरे पास है, मैंने बोला दिस बुक. बट अगर ये बुक मुझसे थोड़ी सी दूर होती तो मैं क्या बोलती? दैट बुक. राइट? सो नेक्स्ट इज पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. व्हाट इज पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव? फॉर दिस possessive adjective, as the name suggests, possessive means possess करना means ownership. यानी कि कोई भी चीज जो है वो किसकी है, हु इज द ऑनर ऑफ दैट थिंग, या फिर उस चीज का मालिक कौन है. तो या तो वो चीज मेरी है, माई, या वो इसकी है, किसी बॉय की, हिज, या वो किसी गर्ल की है, हर, या वो हमारी है, आर, या वो उनकी है, देयर, या फिर किसी बेबी की या किसी एनिमल की हम इट्स यूज करते हैं. राइट? सो आई राइट सम एग्जाम्पल, लाइक सेम एग्जाम्पल आई एम गोइंग टू डू. दिस बुक इज गुड. दिस की जगह हम क्या यूज करेंगे? माई बुक इज गुड. मेरी बुक अच्छी है. किसकी बुक अच्छी है? मेरी बुक अच्छी है. राइट? सो I will remove this from here. मेरी बुक अच्छी है. ठीक है? इसी तरह से our pen is writing. our पेन की जगह पेन्स कर लेंगे, बिकॉज आर हमारा पेन, हमारे बहुत सारे पेन होंगे. our pens are, here it will be, are writing smoothly. Right? So in this way we use possessive adjective. I am repeating, possessive adjective are my, his, her, our, their, its or your also, your. Fine. Now, the thing we have to keep in our mind, what? That these all are the demonstrative adjective and these all are the possessive adjective. But how do we differentiate between adjective and pronoun? Because the same thing will come in the demonstrative pronoun also. So the condition is these word must be followed by noun. यानी कि इन सब के साथ noun आना जरूरी है. जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पर यूज किया this के साथ noun क्या था? book. those के साथ noun क्या था? pen. the same way my के साथ noun क्या है? book. R is possessive pronoun, possessive adjective. So what is noun here? Pens. This thing we have to keep in mind. So next is interrogative adjective. What is interrogative adjective? As the name suggests, नाम से ही आपको पता चल रहा है, interrogate करना मतलब क्वेश्चन पूछना, asking question. So interrogative adjectives means those words which are used to ask question, right? So in this we have which, whose, what. Which means कौन सा, whose किसका, what क्या, right? So which, for example I'll write which bag is yours. तुम्हारा बैग कौन सा है, ठीक है. बट द कंडीशन इज वी हैव टू पुट क्वेश्चन मार्क. हमें लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क जरूर लगाना है, क्योंकि व्हेन वी राइट एनी क्वेश्चन एंड वी डू नॉट पुट क्वेश्चन मार्क इट विल नॉट मेक अ करेक्ट सेंस. सो इट इज मस्ट टू पुट क्वेश्चन मार्क आफ्टर अ क्वेश्चन. सो whose book is this? Again put question mark. Next is what color do you like? What color do you like? See this, see students, this which, whose, what. These all are interrogative adjective. Otherwise these are just a question word. WH words are these and these are used to make any kind of question. But why we are saying that these are interrogative adjective? The reason is these all the words are followed by a noun. If the word is followed by a noun, then only we will say it is an interrogative adjective, right? I hope it will be clear to you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.